Well, guys, I got 90% of it done. I ran out of PR. It's painted over rust. I got the part that's important, base at the bottom. I got some holes drilled. I got to put screening over those holes so that I don't lose much dirt. But 90% is done. I ran out of PR, but they make you wear gloves. There's a reason for that. This stuff is caustic. And to outside, it stinks. It stinks. Anyway, but that's the progress for the barrel for now. And to let this dry. On the outside, I'm going to paint it, I think, a green. And the wood will be a black, I believe. And eventually, some of these guys will be on there. On the right side, over here, the zinnias will be in there. The sunflowers over here will be, some of them will be here because there's plenty of light. Some will be there, so then you're by the house, it looks nice. And some I'm going to put right back here and get rid of those barrels, of course. I'm going to put some mulch here also. And probably for the swing porch, but that's the update for now. Alright guys, take care.